organs. As you see, we've got a big boy, black fin grouper here, 80 pounds, scimitar. How we're going to work. Start from the head. Make sure your knife is really sharp. Go all the way through. The tail. This boy's going to fight. Opens up. Big. Right here at the top of the head. That over. Right on top of the bones. I'm on top of the spine. Just run my knife right through it. It's the fun part. Turn this thing around. Other side. Gotta have a real sharp knife. Now we gotta flip it over. Big it's working. Now we want to take this part off. We create a suction on the cutting board with the skin. See how it's just coming right off. Just need your help. Right? Voila! One fillet. Done. Now we're going to repeat the same step. Start by the head. Then on the fish. Now the tail. Scrape on top of that bone. Turn it around. Same procedure. Best thing about grouper, you can take the carcass, make a nice fish stock out of it, make soups. It's beautiful. Create that suction. You want to do that. Joseph, come on. That. This is what happens when you come to Morgan's and you mess with the chef. Well, boy. Hey.